Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? You are welcome to my class. Lesson modifier, SS English second paper. So let's start the class. Before that, I want to inform you that in our previous class we have learned about different types of modifiers. But today we will practice from board questions. Okay, board question analysis. So we will try to solve some board questions in today's class. So you should be ready. You should open your book. You should take your book. You should take pen and papers. Inshallah, we will do something better in this class. Okay. So you should take preparation. I will open my class. Before that, you have only few seconds. You should open your book and you should take pen and papers. Okay. So let's start the class. Borishal Board 2017. You should open board question from your exercise book, or you will find them at the end of your book. There are some board questions, and from there you should open Borishal Board 2017. Borishal Board 2017. Okay. Now you should read the question. You should read the question. You may read from here, or you may read from your exercise book. Okay. If you are not able to read from here, you may use your textbook or exercise book. Okay. So at first you should read very carefully. Okay. You should read the question. Okay, this question is taken from board question, Borishal Board 2017. Okay, you will have only 2 minutes to read the passage very carefully. I will start. I am waiting for your reading. Okay, everybody, you should open your book. And you should read very carefully. Okay. And today I will ask you some questions, and you should answer the questions. And who are connected with me in the class, please, you should write down your ID in the comment box. Okay, have you finished your reading? If you finish reading, I will start to solve this question with you. Understand? Okay, let's solve the question. While you are reading this passage, you should be very careful about this information, about these questions, what are asking here. Understand? Okay. Raja, number 1, post modify the noun with an appositive. With an appositive. Already you have practiced appositive. What is appositive? What is appositive? Appositive is a noun that give information to another noun. Okay. Okay. And before appositive, there should have been a comma, and at the end of an appositive, there should have been a comma. Okay. So you should be careful about the appositive. So appositive, what is appositive? Another identification of this noun. So Raja dash post modify the noun with an appositive is known to his classmates is a good student. Is known to his classmate as a good student. Okay, that means রাজা হচ্ছে এমন একটা বালক, সে কি হচ্ছে ক্লাসমেটদের কাছে খুবই ভালো। তাহলে রাজা সম্পর্কে you may add some modifiers. What type of modifiers? Appositive. There are too many appositive you may use. Okay, let's say I use an appositive, a student of class 9. You may use a student of our college. You may use a student of our village. You may use a student of class 10 or class 11. That's so on. No problem here. But it should be matched with the passage. Understand? According to the passage, you should try to use them. A student of Raja, a student of class 9. If you use Raja, a student of class 11, Raja, a student of class our college, Raja, a student of our class, no problem. Okay? Next, is known to his classmates as a good student. He has, number B, use a quantifier to pre-modify the noun. Quantifier. What is quantifier? That means it may number or amounts. Quantifier may number or amounts to modify the noun or adjective. Understand? Okay. So use a quantifier. So good qualities. So good qualities. How many good qualities? How many good qualities? You should give the amount. Understand? So a quantifier should identify the amount of a noun or adjectives. So we may use many. We may use many. So many should be the quantifier of good qualities. That means he has many good qualities. If you use he has some good qualities, no problem. He has a lot of good qualities, no problem. He has few good qualities, okay. But many is appropriate here. Understand? Many is appropriate here. Okay. Next, he knows that. He knows that. Use an adjective to pre-modify the noun. Use an adjective. So adjective, which adjective? Duty. So you should use pre-modifier to modify the noun. So you should use an adjective to pre-modify the noun duty. So he knows that what type of duty you may write down first or main duty. First duty or main duty of the student is to study, and he never neglects. Number D, use a demonstrative to pre-modify the noun. Demonstrative. Use a demonstrative. So what is demonstrative? You have practiced some demonstrative in your last classes, in your previous classes. So use a demonstrative. So you may use a lot of demonstratives, but which one is appropriate here? Here, this is appropriate here. You know that these are demonstrative. Understand? These are demonstrative. So this duty, and he never neglects this duty. So duty is here appropriate as a demonstrative. Okay. Next question. He prepares, number E, use possessive to pre-modify the noun. Use possessive. You should use possessive. So possessive, which one are possessive? My, our, your, their, his, her, it. These are possessive. So which one is appropriate here? He prepares whose lesson? His lesson. So his is appropriate here as a possessive. Understand? Okay. His lessons regularly. Okay. Next, he maintains the discipline. He knows the value of time. He gets up. Number 8. Post modify the verb with an adverb. Post modify, that means this modify will modify this verb. Gets up. So there should be a post modifier of this verb gets. So which one should be appropriate? He gets up dash. He gets up early. He gets up early in the morning. This type. So you may use here early. Okay? You may use here early. Early modifies the verb gets. When does he gets up? Early. So early modifies gets. Understand? Okay. So that he can get enough time to study. He goes to his school. Post modify the verb with an adverb. Post modify the verb with an adverb. So you should modify this verb goes. He goes to his school dash with an adverb. So adverb, what type of adverb? He goes to his school every day, regularly. This type of modifiers you may use here. Understand? So regularly or daily or every day you may use this type of modifiers here. Okay, understand? If anyone use regularly, no problem. If anyone use daily, no problem. If anyone use every day, no problem. Okay? It would be correct. Okay. Next, he never wastes a dash. Use determiner to pre-modify the noun moment. So you should use a determiner to modify this moment. Wow. So single moment, last moment, past moment, this type of modifiers. So which one would be appropriate here? He never wastes a single moment would be appropriate here. Understand? Single. So you should try to practice this type of modifiers and you should note down some modifiers in your notebook. Understand? That would help you to find out or to use them in your language. Understand? Okay, next. So he never wastes a single moment in vain. Raja is dash. Number I. Pre-modify the adjective with an intensifier. Pre-modify the adjective with an intensifier. What is intensifier? Intensifier is a kind of adverb. In our previous classes, we have discussed about intensifier. So intensifier, you should use an intensifier. So intensifier, be careful. Raja is dash intensifier gentle. That means you may use very gentle, so gentle. This type of intensifier you may use here. Okay? Very is appropriate here. Understand? Okay, next. He always obeys his parents and teachers. He never mixes with number J. Pre-modify the noun. Pre-modify the noun, that means boy. This you should modify the noun boy with what? There is no actual information, but says that pre-modify the noun. So we know that the pre-modifier of noun should be an adjective. The pre-modifier of noun should be an adjective. So he never mixes with. So he never mixes with. As Raja is a good boy, so he never mixes with bad boys. Understand? So this type of modifier you may use, or naughty boys you may, bad boys. This type of modifier you may use here. Okay. A student like Raja is great asset of a nation. Okay. We have practiced some modifiers from Boshal Board 2017. You should try to solve them and you should try to practice them by yourself. If you have any confusion, if you have any problem, please write down your comments in the comment box and I will check you and I will try to solve your problems. Understand? Okay.